Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I kind of figured I would take it back to like the old school makeup tutorials where I pretty much just do my makeup without any talking, and I did show you guys the products I use, but I would also have it in my description box below in case you guys miss it in terms of what I use. But yeah, I want to kind of just create like my first fall makeup tutorial because fall is fastly approaching us, and I kind of feel like, you know, it's time for the fall video. So I did create this like bronzy glowy makeup tutorial. I did use majority of like drugstore makeup except for one product that was high-end, but it's still an affordable product overall. But hope you guys enjoyed my makeup tutorial. Like always, please be sure you guys to rate, comment, and subscribe, and of course thumbs up if you guys want to see more fall makeup videos. And I really do appreciate you guys' support, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.
What's going on here? What's going on right now? What is the problem? Tell me your problem. I said a lot, girl. Can't be with mine. Always been on what and I feel. I saw the lines up, but not the tough shit. Can't waste any time now. Can't waste any time now. What's going on here? What's going on right now? What is the problem? Tell me the problem. That's in a lot, girl. You can't be with mine. Always been on one and I feel. I saw the lines up, run out of time. Shit, can't waste any time now. Can't waste any time now. You can tell me anything you want, I'll forget about it. Tell me what you want, anything, I'll do best without it. I can't tell what happened last night. Did I act right? Never can be slept, never can be slept, never can be slept, never can be slept. Damn. Tell me anything you want, I'll forget about it. Tell me what you want, anything, I'll do best without it. I can't tell what happened last night. Did I act right? Never can we sleep, never can we sleep, never can we sleep, never can we sleep.
You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. You enchant me even when you're not around. There are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe, now I know what I have found.